Hi guys. Uh, I know it's been a while since I've come live, but I think today was an occasion that I wanted to celebrate with all my fan clubs, with everyone who has given me so much love over the last 12 years. Uh, I remember it was just before my 18th birthday when I auditioned to be a part of Boni, and I bagged the film. But yeah, so basically that's how my journey began. And no, I'm not wearing makeup. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't get dressed. Thank you, Sandeepan. That's so sweet of you to join and so sweet of you to wish me. Thank you so much. My first shout out I want to give to Ramana Gogula, who was the producer of Boni, who believed in me and who gave me the opportunity to enter this big beautiful world. And I'm so glad that I became a part of the Indian film fraternity. Thank you so much, Ramana. I'm forever grateful and forever indebted. The next shout out I want to give is to all my fan clubs. They have been so amazing. All you guys have worked so hard. You all make me feel so special. Sometimes I feel extremely overwhelmed by the love you all give me. I cannot thank you all enough, and sometimes I can't believe my stars that I must have done something good. And I don't know what I've done to deserve this, but whatever it is, I am just grateful that you guys are a part of my life, and you all have given me so much to be grateful for and so much to look forward to. Thank you, Sue. Thanks so much. Such a cutie you are, Sinena. Thank you. Hi, Anjali. Hi, Litesh. Thank you so much. Nan ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Your doctor is more than fine. Thank you so much. Well, I am here to answer your questions. Bidri doctor, thanks. No, Baba, I am lucky to have you guys. Actually want to share like a little story. I remember when, hi Uttam, I'm good, how are you? मेरे बाल झाड़ू लग रहे हैं. हाँ यार, मैंने कंघी भी नहीं करी, अब मैं क्या करूँ? Thanks Abhishek, thank you so much. I just finished working out. Thank you for asking. Yes, so when is Googly 2 happening? I think Pawan Vadeyar is the only person who can answer that. I am more than ready to be Dr. Swati all over again. It would be my pleasure. I wouldn't want it any other way. Okay, I don't know what's happening. My thing is hanging. Is this right? Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. So yeah, I basically have come live today because I want to share the experiences I've had over the last few years, over the last 12 years to be precise. I feel like, I used to play dress up in school. I used to dance to every Bollywood number possible, watch every Bollywood movie possible. While my friends were discussing English films, I was all, oh, I love Hindi movies, and that's all that I love. That's everything I wanted to watch. That's everything I wanted to feel like. And then I became an actress very, very suddenly. I still remember I thought, I may get some backlash from home कि क्या acting क्यों करनी है, but I have the most amazing family and they were super supportive, especially my grandmom, who laughed and said one time when I was offered Boni and I said okay, I want to do it, I thought my grandmom, because she's a little conservative, she may have an issue with it, but the honest truth is she actually said अगर मेरे लायक कोई role मिले तो मुझे भी बताइयो. She was so excited. I remember when I was kidnapped in Boni, she started screaming in the theatre saying मेरी बच्ची को छोड़ो, मेरी बच्ची को छोड़ो. And that was really, really cute, the way she reacted in the theatre, and she believed that I was actually getting kidnapped. Having said that, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for my family. And the journey has only been more and more beautiful since then. My favorite movie of myself, I think it'll be very, very hard to choose. But I can talk about some of my most favorite characters of myself. I think it all started with Pragati will always have a very, very special place in my heart because I think it was the first on-screen character I played. Ek ungli chino. I know that was one of the lines that I use even today actually. Every time I'm confused about something, I'm the kind of person who puts down chits and then I pick one. And they say you always know what you want when you pick a chit and I don't even need to open it. Yeah, so that's how I make a lot of my major decisions in my life. I want to meet you guys too. I promise I'm going to make it happen. I just hope the pandemic ends soon. I hope all of you guys are indoors. You all are taking care of yourselves, your families. Yeah, listen, I'm a damn bad singer. So let's not get to singing, please. It just puts me in a spot in a very weird way. Shadi mein. Hi Ambika, so long it's been since I've met you. Cutie, hi. Hi Deepak, thank you so much. Hi Rohan, thank you so much. Really appreciate all the love you send my way. My skincare routine. I actually am someone who has started believing in it a lot more over the last couple of years. And so what I do is I make sure that I wash my face every morning with extremely cold water. I don't use soap on my face, so I don't use a face wash early in the morning. First I shock it with really cold water. I do scrub my face at least thrice a week. I make sure that it's moisturized well. I make sure that I use a good vitamin C cream. Apart from that, I do a lot more. No, I have not forgotten Kannada. Hi Marcin. Hi Jiju. Hi Ronu. I love you. One dialogue from Shaadi Mein Zarur Aana. आपको क्या लगता है क्यों पहन के आए हैं पिंक कलर? There's no need for language here. Anyone who decides to use language, I swear to God, I'm going to report it. It's not going to be easy for you. So please don't stoop down to that level. No one's. You please feel free to leave the live. I have no problem. Thank you so much. I'm trying to read as many messages while I'm talking, guys. I'm really sorry, but I'm not able to. Yeah. Happy? Thank you. I wish I could. There are so many requests to go live with me. Yes, I will do a Zoom call with all my fan clubs. I'm going to plan it for next week. Pakka. आप तो हर रंग में शाहरुख खान लगते हैं. Thank you guys. I'm sorry, I'm just laughing because I'm reading a lot of messages that are making me laugh as I'm talking. This is very random. Hi Amisha, how are you? Thank you. यार मैंने आपका प्यार कब ठुकराया शाहिद जी? मैंने किसी का प्यार नहीं ठुकराया है. I still remember I posted something and someone said आपने सत्तू को धोखा दिया, हम आपका भरोसा क्यों करें? And I found that really fun. Hi Rishabh, how are you? My favorite role of myself, there are way too many. There are some that I've enjoyed a lot. There's Pragati, Vasumati, Sandy Papa, of course Dr. Swati. I really enjoyed playing Aarti Shukla. Aditi is a character that I really love, which is the character from Chauda Feri. And Isha, I'm going to call you like as soon as I do this. As soon as I finish my live, I will call you. I promise. I'm sorry. My sister's complaining because I've been so busy all day. I haven't been able to call her back. And Isha, I'll call you as soon as I'm done with the live. Pakka promise. No, the intention was not to make the post emotional. I was just saying what I genuinely felt from the bottom of my heart, and it wasn't easy. No, I haven't done a fashion designing course. I have done a jewelry designing course from JD Institute of Fashion Technology in Bangalore. I want to work with every actor possible. There is no one that I don't want to work with because I think we're a talented bunch, and I genuinely admire and appreciate every actor who is a part of our industry. I think they've all gotten there because of their hard work. And 2 lines in Kannada. When should I come pick you up? Ashish, I will call you after. Pakki baat. I'm in Mumbai right now. I haven't gone home in a while, and I'm really, really looking forward to it. In Kannada, I'm gonna try what I want to say. I hope it makes sense, and I hope you understand it. ನೀವಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ oh God, I feel like I've been put on the spot. Thank you, Anna. Thank you, Arshana. Thanks so much. Yes, 12 years of acting. No, it doesn't feel long. Mom's daughter, dad's princess. I think my parents will be mad at this question. There is no favorite. I love both of them equally. I do. I'm doing good. My family is doing good. Thank you for asking. It's been amazing. Oh wow. Okay, 1 second. I'm going to take these names. Amisha, Litesh, Uttam, Anjali, Sumi, Ishu, Rishabh, Ananya, Chirag, Chaitanya, Rohan, Aditi, Tamanna. Thank you so much. Y'all have created some of the most beautiful fan clubs. I also want to thank everyone who has genuinely made an effort. The number of sketches I see all day, you guys are so talented, so talented. I genuinely cannot choose a favorite. I mean, I cannot believe the kind of time and effort that goes into this, and you'll actually make it for me. I can't thank you all enough. I genuinely can't. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for making that effort, and for making sure that I feel loved, and that's a very, very, very big deal. Who's Pulkit Sharma? There is no Pulkit Sharma in my life. There is Pulkit Samrat, one and only. No, I'm not singing, guys. Please. Hi Saju, hi. मैं भी आप लोगों से मिलना चाहती हूँ. Not at all. I'm glad that you think that I'm a strong person. I do the best I possibly can, and I hope that it makes a difference to someone's life in more ways than one. But yeah, that's the hope. I think that maybe that's the only reason I speak my mind, because there's no point doing it any other way. So thank you. And hi Monica, Manish, Mohit. Hi Priyanka. How are you all? Thank you so much. I actually feel like it's my birthday today. I genuinely feel like this is my birthday. I think maybe because it gave birth to a new me, a great new identity. This definitely feels like my birthday. Thank you, Vyasa. Thanks a lot. Vyas Abhishek. Thank you. Thanks. Monitor Didi was in school. I'm still Monitor Didi for a lot of... Your nickname is Pulkit Samrat. Well played. Very smart of you. I'm also missing Bangalore a lot. You have no idea. I haven't gone home in a year and a half because of the whole COVID situation. But I'm intending to go very, very, very soon, because I don't think I can take it anymore. I want to go to Corner House and eat cake fudge, and I want to go to Sweet Chariot and eat their koshis and eat a yummy breakfast. There's so many things I want to do. I miss so many things about Bangalore. As a kid, I remember we used to go to Lal Bagh every Sunday for a picnic, and especially in the summer, Dada Dadi would take all 5 of us, like 2 of my siblings and 2 of my cousins from the same family. They used to take all of us, and we used to eat lychee and jamuns sitting under the tree with a mat and everything. It was absolutely beautiful. I went to Baldwin Girls High School till the 10th grade, and after that I went to Bishop Cotton Girls School for the next 2 years to do my ISc. Then I joined Sri Bhagwan Mahabir Jain College, but before I think I could complete the first 3 months also of college, I was already acting. Thanks Ashish for the update. I believe Corner House has opened now. Yay! Hi Uttam Googly, how are you? Of course, I remember you guys. What is not seen? Comment. Sorry, I didn't follow that, and I think it's already gone upar. Hi Sameer, how are you? Kriti Slays, Kriti KFC. There's so many fan clubs. I think it's hard to choose a favorite. Each one of them puts up some great content, and it's just fun to see. It's amazing to watch, and you guys are like supremely, supremely talented. Really, I mean this from the bottom of my heart. Well, over the last 12 years, so much has changed. I remember there was a time when I wasn't sure if this is the right path for me, but every now and then, every time I thought, okay, hi Vedi, every time I thought, okay, my God, I don't think I'm made for this, and I'm not sure I can take the pressure. It's you guys, it's my family, it's my friends who taught me that it's okay, and I shouldn't give up on my dreams, and I shouldn't let go of what makes me smile, and maybe that's why I'm here till today, and I will never leave the industry. This is something that will always, always, always stay with me. Next time, ಈಗ mood illa, next time ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, happy guys. Chiru was my first co-star in the Kannada film industry. He is one of the nicest people. For me, he is still existent. For me, he is someone who is always going to be a part of my life. The warmest, sweetest smile, and he just smiled every day, all day, made everybody happy on set, and I miss him. I miss him a lot. Thank you, Vikram. Karma is something that is a movie that's extremely close to my heart as well. I know I just had like a 5-minute role in the film, but the kind of appreciation I received for it was tremendous, and I loved playing that character. Tesh, of course, Arfa is very, very, very close to my heart. I think it's something that I worked really, really hard on. We wanted to keep it as natural as possible, and it wouldn't have been possible without the entire team actually contributing to the character and making sure that it works on screen. So for that, I want to thank everyone associated with Tesh. Yes, I do believe it is one of my best works. Well, my favorite fine, I will just name a few of my favorite films of me. I think I loved Teen Maar, I loved Ongol Gitta, I loved Googly, I loved Chiru, I loved Prem Adda. The songs were just outstanding. I loved Guest in London. I really enjoyed Shaadi Mein Zaroor Aana. Houseful 4, it's my kind of movie, like totally. Imagine watching a movie all your life as a kid and then actually becoming a part of it. I think it's absolutely kick-ass. And of course, and I personally think 14 Fairy is going to be one of my best films. So yeah, fingers crossed it'll work in my favor. I would love to do more movies in Kannada, and that's something that I'm really, really looking forward to. Yes. Hi Satvi, hi. Of course, I love your username. It's so Bollywood. Kriti Kharbanda ka Deewana. Aur kya chahiye life mein? It's absolutely amazing. I love anything Bollywood. It excites me. 14 Fairy is my next release. It's something that I just finished dubbing for yesterday. So since the lockdown is open, I've shot for a couple of brands, and I've dubbed for 14 Fairy, and the last 3 days have been extremely hectic. But I am looking forward to so much more work. I can't wait to get back on a set and do my thing, really. I mean it. I mean, how do I manage to look this? No, I don't think I'm looking pretty right now. I feel like I'm looking a little tired. Hi Sukhbir, how are you? Thank you so much. Hi Uttara. Hi Vivek. Hi Irfan. Thank you. Hi Biswajit. Hi Keshav. 14 Fairy doesn't have a release date yet. We had initially announced the 9th of July, but we didn't know what to expect from the ongoing pandemic. So yeah, we're keeping the product ready. We're not sure when it's going to release. The production will make an announcement soon. We will meet soon, I promise you, Litesh. We'll at least do a Zoom call. Pakki baat. Pinky swear. हाय तो बोल दो. हाय आदित्य. Shivraj Kumar sir is, oh my god, I wish I have that energy when I am his age. I remember shooting with him and thinking, oh my god, this man is filled with energy, filled with passion more than anything else. London misses me. I miss London too. It's been a while. It's been so long. कृति बिंगो भी, हाँ यार करना है, अब क्या करूँ, I'll figure it out. I don't know when the next film is releasing, guys. I really don't know. I've said it twice. I want to meet you guys too. Pakki baat. Guys, I can't add anyone here. There are so many requests that it's just getting a little difficult. I'm sorry. But I will do a more planned live the next time I plan a live. Oh wow. Wow, that was damn good. It rhymed and all. So as I was saying, okay, I'm gonna try and add 1 or 2 people. Let me see what I can do. Okay, no, I really can't. I mean, I'm really trying, but there's so many requests that it's becoming a little difficult, guys. I'm really sorry, and I really don't know how to do this. Hi. Oh, you want me to answer your questions? Okay, I just found them. I didn't know about this new feature. Yes. My hair color, it's just dark brown. Really, my favorite food, rajma chawal, matar paneer, pani puri. Okay, my mouth is watering now. I'm suddenly feeling very hungry. I don't know when I'm gonna shoot next for a film. I think it's gonna be a while. Hi Padma, how are you? शादी में ज़रूर आना का पार्ट 2 कब आएगा? मैं रत्ना सिन्हा मैम से पूछकर आपको पक्का बताऊंगी. Guest in London too. I really don't know, but I hope it's made at some point because I genuinely think it was a damn good film. Very entertaining, very chill. The Lost Illusion says Googly was my first Kannada movie and also first movie I came to know of you. Oh, that's so sweet. I'm so glad you enjoyed it. My favorite cricketer, Saurav Dada, Dhoni and Virat Kohli. Nice, huh? Yes, I'm answering more questions. My favorite song, it's hard to choose, but I think Ille Yellow from Chiru, Kalli Ivallu from Prem Adda, all the songs of Googly. I think it's hard to pick a favorite. Jogi from Shaadi Mein Zaroor Aana, Hum Dono Yu Mile from 14 Fere. Oh, okay, I have favorite songs from 14 Fere too. And I really liked Chammo from Houseful 4, Dil Mera from Guest in London, Chal Chale from Ongal Gitta. So yeah, there are so many that I really enjoy. Thank you. That's so kind. I mean, you have so many people to choose from. So thank you so much. Is Aarti Shukla your best performance till date? Honestly, I don't think that's something I can decide because as an actor, I always feel like I can do better. But yes, I have received a lot of love for Aarti Shukla, and I'm just hoping that I grow with every passing film. I personally really enjoyed being Arfa in Tesh as well. For those of you who haven't seen it, Tesh is a very interesting film, and I think you all should watch it. मैं बैंग्स रखूँ एक बार. मेरे बैंग्स हैं 14 फेरे में. You will see bangs in 14 फेरे. That is one of my looks in the film. मेरा favorite color, white and lavender. These are 2 colors that I really love. Lots of love from Karnataka. Lots of love right back at you. Thank you. Thank you, Sushant. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Yes. Oh, I actually want to cut my hair short. It's been a while I've been contemplating it, but I don't know if I have the heart to do it. I've always had long hair, like all my life. I've had really long hair, and maybe I'll take that chance for a project. Nan chanagidini chirag evaru nee hegidira. Thank you, Rahul. Thank you so much. Lots of love right back at you. Thank you. Hi, Adarsh. My favorite food is home food. There is no two ways about it. I love. I also don't want this life to end, but I also have a lot of things to do, guys. I would love to work in an action film. Oh my god, I think I'd be damn good at it. People have no idea. I'm actually very, very strong. I'm very strong for a small, timid person. Thank you. Lots of love right back at you. My favorite South Indian dish. Forgot the name. Neer dosa. I love neer dosa and I love vangi bath. I think these are my two things. What's for dinner tonight? We're celebrating my 12 years in the industry tonight, so we're gonna have pizza for dinner. Healthy pizza, but pizza for dinner. And I'm really looking forward to this meal. No, what? What is this? What are these weird questions, guys? Calm down. Googly and SMZA have separate fan bases. I totally agree, and I think I'm part of those fan bases. Niharika Janeja, get your ass here. I'll meet you right now. I miss you too. Oh my god. Hi Akeem. Thank you for your love. You know, the number of people are wishing me happy birthday right now. I actually feel like it's my birthday. I feel like I need to cut a cake. Hi Sagar. How are you? Big shout out to you. Mwah. Yes, I have completed 12 years in the industry, and it is, oh my god, it's an amazing feeling. Like, I cannot believe how time has just flown by. I don't think I've realized how time has flown by over the last 12 years. Coffee or sugarcane juice? I think sugarcane juice, thanda. I remember there is the road where Philomena's hospital is in Bangalore. My dad used to take me there every Sunday to have sugarcane juice. Kabir Nalu, if I'm not wrong. That's what it's called. The things I miss most about Bangalore, of course, being home, being around my family, just revisiting places, that I used to go to when I was a kid, when I was young, and things were the feeling was something else. Guys, it's starting to rain. Hawaii chal rahi hai. This is so amazing. Yes. Your favorite nickname? I think Noor Jahan has to be my favorite nickname of myself, because my mom gave it to me, and every time she calls me Noor Jahan, the feeling is something else. It just fills my heart with so much joy. My friends call me K, so that is something that I really, really like. K and KK. Where is Drogo? Drogo is chilling. Drogo's a chiller. He's gone down for his walk because वो मौसम का लुफ्त उठा रहे हैं. Kit Kat, yes, I do enjoy that. It's a really fun pet name, and it's so funny. Pulkit's friends also used to call him Kit Kat in school, and my friends also used to call me Kit Kat. So it's really, really bizarre. It's a very bizarre coincidence. I'm not avoiding any questions, guys. I can't read so fast because I'm saying things and then it becomes a little difficult. Yes. Thank you, Shubham. Thanks a lot. My favorite chocolate. I'm not a chocolate person really, but the only chocolate, if I do eat chocolate, the only chocolate I do eat is Ferrero Rochers. That's the only chocolate I enjoy eating. Apart from that, I'm not a chocolate person. Chocolate cake or pineapple cake? Pineapple. 100% pineapple. Anything fruity. Hi Deepika. Hi. Thank you Amisha. Charan Everu. Thank you. आप मेरी बिल्डिंग के बाहर खड़े क्यों? आई थिंक आपको कुछ गलती लगी है. Thank you. Like my watch. I wear this all day, every day, guys. Actually, wear it when I'm sleeping also. quite obsessed. I love playing video games. I love playing games of any kind. So lately we've been obsessed with Monopoly. I love playing Jenga. I think it's a really, really fun game. I'm extremely competitive. Yes, I'm extremely competitive, and there's a reason they call me Monitor Didi, because I make sure that no one around me cheats. But I'm also a nice person nowadays. When I can see someone cheating, I choose to look the other way, because I think even I really need to chill out and treat a game like a game. Jwala! I'm coming to Hyderabad in July. Yes, sister, we're gonna meet soon. Litesh, what's something you have never done and you have always wanted to do? What's something that I've never done and always wanted to do? I think I am really, really terrified of heights, but I think bungee jumping is something that I really, really want to try. Jwala, I'm calling you after this. Like, after this, I have to call my sister, otherwise, she will disown me. And soon after that, I'm calling you and we will chat. I'm loving the new pictures you're posting with Vishnu. I mean, that's so much love, and what a hottie you look like. I love it. PUBG is not for me. Yes, I will let you know the next time I'm in London. I will be more active, guys. Geet, I dance. So please show me your dance. Devansh, I love you more, and I'm thank you. Thank you so much. Hi!
हाय कैसे हो आप
हाँ मैं ठीक हूँ आप कैसे हो
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर एडिंग
नॉट एट ऑल प्लेजर इज ऑल माइन आपका नाम क्या है
गीत कौर बग्गा
हाय गीत इतना सुंदर नाम है आपका आपको डांस करके दिखाना है
हाँ
चलो चलो लेट्स वॉच यू डांस कम ऑन लेट्स डू दिस
ओके मैं आपको करके बताती हूँ
हाँ
एक स्क्रिप्ट
बताओ बताओ गाने
जय जय श्री शंकर
चलो
ऋतिक
चलो
रोशन
let's
सर
dance.
ने वो वीडियो पोस्ट करा था
ओ वाओ चलो दिखाओ जल्दी मुझे भी देखना है
ओके मैं आपको करके बताती हूँ ना
ओके डन सुना दिखाओ
Ma'am, just a second, okay? And thank you so much for adding us.
Yeah, no problem. No problem. Please show me. I would love to watch her dance.
Bluetooth device is ready to pair. Bluetooth device is successful.
Start.
Oh my god. Open it. Oh my god, Geet, that was outstanding. कितने साल के हो आप?
How do you
How old are you?
7 years old.
आप सिर्फ 7 years की होगी? Oh my God, you
Yeah.
were outstanding. मैं 7 years में तो बिल्कुल नहीं कर
Thank you
पाती
so
थी
much,
डांस.
ma'am.
Not at all. Please don't call me ma'am. कृति बुला लो, दीदी बुला लो, जो बुलाने बुला लो. आंटी मत बुलाना बस. ठीक है?
मुझे ना हाउसफुल पसंद आ रही.
हाँ.
मेरी फेवरेट हाउसफुल 4.
How sweet. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Geet.
आपका आपका बहुत प्यारा
Geet,
था.
आपकी आवाज कट रही है. I can't see you clearly. Sorry. एक second ना. हाँ, I can see you now. Thank you, Geet. Thank you so much. हम लोग फिर से बहुत जल्दी मिलेंगे.
थैंक यू.
मेरी
आप
पोस्ट
मेरी
करोगे,
वीडियोस
okay?
देखना
हाँ,
और
मैं
मुझे
देखूंगी
रिप्लाई
आपको.
करना.
Okay, done. पक्का.
Thank,
Pinky swear.
thank you so
Okay?
much, ma'am.
Not at all. Pleasure's all mine. Bye, Geet.
Bye. Love you.
Mwah. Bye. Oh my God, that was just outstanding. Oh my God, wow. Well, I think that was a great end to our live. Geet, you were fantastic. Thank you for all your love, guys. I am feeling extremely overwhelmed and extremely energized. I feel like I need to go dance and really, really practice because I don't think I can dance like Geet ke level ka even now. So that's just fantastic. सत्तू कहाँ है? सत्तू अपने घर पे? मैंने उनका दिल तोड़ दिया था ना. Doctor, yes, she's fire. Hi, Sumi. Hi. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much, guys. This has meant a lot to me. I've had the best time. I think this is probably one of my most favorite lives I've ever done. And I बहुत अच्छा नाची वो तो बहुत ही सही. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much, guys. This has to end, unfortunately, but I have to say that I have enjoyed being here and I love all of you. And thank you for making these past 12 years so special. I am genuinely giddy with excitement. तो जो लोग मुंबई में हैं प्लीज मौसम का लुत्फ उठाएं, लेकिन घर के अंदर बैठ के. Please, guys, stay indoors. Please step out only if it's absolutely necessary. Someone here asked me what is our biggest responsibility, and I think we are all responsible for ourselves, and that is probably our biggest responsibility. Yes, Kriti slays. I remember. I am going to get on that Zoom call. I promise you. I'm going to send the link on our group on Insta, and then we can all connect via that link, and we're going to meet up really soon. Yes, I miss you guys too. I do. I don't remember the last time I actually got out and met people per se. But I'm really looking forward to it. Thank you, Mukesh ji. Thanks a lot. You know I'm sending you a lot of love, and you know what you mean to me. Thank you, all my fan clubs. Thank you to everybody who joined in. And stay safe, stay home. I love you all. And thank you for everything that you all have given me over the last 12 years. And I'm looking forward to the next 50 years of acting and entertaining and being happy in this amazing Indian film industry. Mwah! Thank you so much. I love my Krithians and can't wait to connect with you guys very soon. Yes, 12 years of Kriti Kharbanda, all thanks to you guys. Thank you so much. And we'll connect soon. Bye, guys. Okay, I don't know how to end the live. Have settings changed? I'm not able to end my live. Oh, it's from here. Okay. Thanks, guys. Thanks for the help. Mwah!